Okay. Hi everybody, Aaron Spivak here. We are in day number, I don't know, 10, something like that from coronavirus isolation. I'm trying out a lot of new devices. Thankfully I have some really good friends in the city that is letting me borrow their stuff. The purpose of today's video is to see if I can take a brand new device with a brand new software, which I'm completely unfamiliar with, and edit a pretty nice video of yours truly doing her favorite activities. So today we're at the dog park. We're gonna be doing a lot of different things, showing off a few tricks and just having a lot of fun. And then we're gonna see what I can do. Special thanks to my friend Dennis for allowing me to borrow his iPad. Everything that you see filmed today is coming off of an iPad Pro 2018 version. I am wanting to do everything from the iPad, so this is the purpose of today's video. So far, I gotta say I'm pretty impressed with it. Certainly not a toy, it's really cool. Anyways, let's go have some fun. Yeah? Do you want this? Do you want this? Show me how much you want. Over. Very good. Come on. Super. With this dog, it is very important to have two of everything. Hey, ready? Oh, very ready. Of course we use this. Oh, she got it already. Good yet. Look out. Wait. For this next experiment, we're gonna see if Pepe likes toilet paper as much as you guys. Not for other people, for you. She looks pretty happy with it. All right, Pepe. Oh, okay. Hey, gimme. I know. This is what it's like at the supermarkets. Come on. Hey, that's the last roll. It's the last roll, Pepe. Tisk. Good yet? Over. All right, guys, that's all for today for our sample of the new iPad 2018 version. She's watching birds. I hope that this experiment was successful. You can see she's a little bit tired. I will be doing a written review on Facebook as to how the workflow went, how everything was compatible, especially with my iPhone. That's going to be very important as well. We certainly had a lot of fun filming this video for you guys. We are looking forward to putting out a lot of new content for drumming lessons, and I hope that this turns out well. Thanks again, Mr. Dennis, for allowing us to borrow your iPad for today. Certainly the quality is really cool. I'm really excited to get home and start editing some videos. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out, stay healthy, and enjoy your time with your loved ones. Bye-bye. close. Not bad. Not bad.